In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter in Zapier. First, let's start by navigating to the Zapier website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to create an account, but assuming you have, go ahead and enter your login details. Logging into Zapier will bring you to your dashboard, where you can manage your existing Zaps or create new ones. Once you're logged in, it's time to start creating by clicking on the Create button on your dashboard. This action will open a menu where you'll select Zaps. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. You can create one manually or explore the possibility of getting some assistance from AI, which can speed up the process if you're new to Zapier or need some extra guidance. With Zapier, everything is about connecting different apps to automate tasks. So now, let's look at those apps you want to integrate. You'll notice a plus icon between the apps, so click on that to add a new step to your workflow. What you want to do here is search for a filter. The filter is a crucial tool that ensures your workflows only continue if specific conditions are met. Now, let's move on to setting up your filter rules. When you're in the Filter Setup and Testing tab, you'll see a series of drop-down menus and a field. This is where you'll determine the criteria for your filter. The first drop-down menu allows you to select the field you want the filter to examine. This could be any piece of information specific to the task you're automating, so choose one relevant to your process. Next, the second drop-down menu presents you with a list of rules. These rules will define how the filter interacts with the field you've selected. Choose a rule that best suits the condition you wish to apply. Common rules might include options like equals, contains, or does not equal, among others. Each rule will alter how your Zap decides whether to proceed or not based on the data in your field. Lastly, in the third field, you're going to type the value you want to compare against. This value should be specific and aligned with the rule you've chosen. It's the benchmark that your filter uses to decide if conditions are met. Before you're done, don't forget to test your filter. Testing ensures that everything is set correctly and the Zap functions as intended when it runs. A successful test means your filter is working perfectly, catching the conditions you specified. If the test doesn't pass, you may need to revisit your setup and adjust your conditions. That's it. You've successfully added a filter to your Zap on Zapier. Don't forget to save your changes. By filtering your automated tasks, you make sure only the relevant data gets through, keeping your workflow efficient and precise. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your automation processes in Zapier.